Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Nadira binti Muhammad Rushdi and I am supervised under GIS Dr. Nabila Naharuddin, and the title for this thesis is Real Transit Accessibility Index by using Analytical Hierarchy Process, AHP and GIS. There will be two types of data processing, which is criterion weightage calculation using AHP and spatial data editing. And then we'll move on to preparation of spatial data set for measuring real transit accessibility index and measuring real transit accessibility index. For spatial data editing, topological editing was done. Since the data was mostly digitized and obtained from open sources, so the quality might not be that good, so that is why topological editing is needed. For preparation of spatial data set of measuring real transit accessibility index, combining two types of AHP and GIS result in spatial data set is required. In measuring real transit accessibility index, there was two analysis was done, which is proximity analysis, near tools, and spatial join. These two analysis helps to determine the criteria exists along each of the roads in KL city center. For proximity analysis, this tool helps to identify the geographic features, represent the criteria which was located along the road. It is based on the distance to the road. The road nearest to the geographic features of the criteria was determined by the near tool, as you can see on your right-hand side. For spatial join, it was used to join two spatial data set, which is criteria dataset and route network dataset, which is to combine both data spatially, and by the help of summary statistic, it helps to sum of the total weightage of parameters that exist on the road without having manual calculation. The summation of weightage was then normalized from 0 to 1 to identify which road that has highest or low accessibility index. The index was classified into 5 categories to make it easier to be analyzed. Results and analysis. On your left-hand side, this is the map showing the real transit accessibility index in KL city center. From the map, we can see the eastern part of the study contains more green roads which refer to high accessibility index, while for the northwestern, southern, and southeastern area, it shows that the area is quite low in accessibility index. There are 4 types of rail transit services. Road accessible to monorail station has the highest rail transit accessibility index. LRT and commuter both have expected results as they were previously developed to provide connectivity from suburban KL area with KL only, while MRT, which was developed for convenience of walking and cycling around the station, did not have the best index among all. This is data visualization where the objective number 3 was achieved, which is to create a web map visualizing the real transit accessibility index in KL city center. So this is the mobile version. So people can also zoom in and zoom out to see the route that they are planning to go to. This is the QR code where user can access the map in ArcGIS online quickly and easily by scanning this QR code. A small device such as a smartphone is sufficient to view the map. The map can be accessed via this URL. That's all from me. Thank you for your time.